you, Srila Prabhupada, for your all-embracing mercy. I want to say thank you for your austerities. I want to say thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for your unwavering commitment to your Guru Maharaj's instructions. I want to say thank you for being the lone soldier on the battlefield. I want to say thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for showing us how to love Krishna. I want to say thank you for being you, Srila Prabhupada, a dearmost servant of Lord Krishna. I want to say thank you again and again, Srila Prabhupada. You are our founder, Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. All glories to you, Srila Prabhupada. All glories to you, your granddaughter, Sri Haribhakti Devi.
Am I allowed to tell a story?
Yes. And this is, first of all, before that, I want to thank Shyam McRae Prabhu for coming to my home and getting up the tree of a golden champa tree that we have in our front yard. I've been waiting 6 to 7 years for the flowers to start. And they came a few days before your disappearance, Srila Prabhupada. Unbelievable. And I couldn't get it. And Shyam, he so willingly supported. So this story, yes. Sorry. So of course, I got the opportunity through Shyam Prabhu to offer these golden champa on your Aarti tray today. So the story is in connection with the Aarti tray, as in the push from the flower tray. It's my pour, and I'm doing vases for Radha every day. And I grow vase flowers in my garden, and I also grow smelly flowers for Prabhupada's Aarti tray. So after doing my service in the morning, doing the vases, I would come and ask the garland ladies for Prabhupada's tray for the flowers, and I would add all my bits to the tray that had some flowers already. And then Janani Prabhu would come prior to the offering to Srila Prabhupada. He would go through meticulously, looking at everything, making sure everything was present. And he always came giving enough time without, because he'd always fix up Prabhupada's, what do you call it? What do you call it? No, the thing, the International Society.
The flag.
Yeah, always moved it and made it straight and proper. And if there's anything was disarray with Prabhupada, he'd fix it up before everyone comes. He was by himself doing this mostly, not in show with all the devotees. And so I got to observe this quite a lot. And so if there was anything amiss on the flower tray, he would meticulously move it if it was necessary. And then he'd go to the baskets and he would rummage through to make sure there was nothing amiss there. Meaning, Prabhupada has to have the best. So I feel so fortunate to be able to have some association with Janani Prabhu. I mean, I'm being very fortunate because he and I, we have a nice relationship. He allows me to be myself. So he's a personalist, actually. So when someone allows you to be yourself, you're very comfortable. And you just be yourself.
Thank you, Sri Haribhakti. You might just, you've gone under a little. We've just got somebody else.
Can I just
well, the bell's already tolled a couple of times.
I know I'm a naughty one, but...
You are very naughty.
I know.
Okay, quickly, half a minute.
All right, sorry, I don't normally do that. I'm nearly messed me up. Oh, holy moly. All right, I have to go. Office orders are orders. Jai Ho, Joshua.